Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to another video, man. We got a quick little overview shot, simple little review of the blue tint MNVN. Jesus, why is it MNVN Yeezy 700. Shout out to the homie Retro Grails for holding me down on these. I did actually have these early. They did come out on July 5th. I think I've had them for a minute, but I've been traveling so much. It's just nice to be back at the crib and, you know, just let's do a little sneaker review, man. I got so many shoes that I need to show you guys. And I'm kind of digging, changing it up a little bit as far as, I wouldn't say these are hyped whatsoever, but you know, more so showing you guys some shoes that are actually weird and kind of cool looking. And when I say weird, I mean like something like this. So Decker's Innovative, they sent me like, I got a bunch of like weird looking shoes. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, what is going on here? You know what I'm saying? I wanna bring those to the channel. You guys know I got my hands on the blue pair maybe like a month ago. It's my first time ever seeing these in person. Basically, you get just the standard Yeezy box. I'm ready for them to change it up, man. This has been the same box for a while now. Like, let's do something different. Not that it even really matters. I guess it's just more of like a change up the packaging. Damn, like shit gets boring, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, as far as our basic slide out, now with these, it's kind of an interesting colorway with the whole blue tint concept. Now, those of you guys that don't know about the 700s, basically, you know, it's the typical 700 model without the suede. Now you have more of a nylon upper, which we talked about last time. This blue tint color is pretty interesting, obviously with the 3M on the side that says 700. We know for sure Boost is extremely comfortable. 700s are extremely comfortable. But with these, I just could not figure out what the purpose was. And, you know, I was kind of doing some research, just trying to understand why they decided to go with a nylon upper. Was it more so to have a sneaker that, you know, just lasts a little bit longer, or something that is essentially like bulletproof, like a foam posit, or what other shoes? Nike Air Max 97. Those are very solid. I love the materials that they have on those, and they're just super easy to clean and very durable sneaker. Another like really dope thing about these is just to not have to lace them up. You just pull them tight. That is really cool to me. And I like not necessarily the innovative concept, but adding that to more of this like streetwear sneaker culture where we typically don't have something like this. It's something that you see on like a pair of Skechers or a pair of Walmart shoes, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie about that, but something that hasn't necessarily really caught on too much with the times and the trends, but also you can look at it as more of, this makes things a lot more, what's the word? Accessible, kind of. Some people might not be able to actually tie their shoestrings, so it's easier for them to just pull it tight, you know what I mean? So really dope look for Kanye. It would be awesome to just sit down and kind of talk to him about like why he designed this. I'm gonna keep looking on the internet to see if there's any more inspiration on why he decided to, you know, build out this concept and this kind of silhouette. But overall, just another interesting shoe, and you know, something you guys obviously wanted to see, and here we go. Now, one thing that I would say that I'm truly looking forward to is honestly just like an all white pair. I think there's potentially a black pair. I'm not exactly 100% sure. I know there's that blue pair. There's like a bone colorway. And I don't know if there's an all black pair just yet, but if one comes, I'll definitely be getting my hands on those for the review. Obviously same shoe, different colorway, but I just prefer to have something that's all black. Other than that, this just being all white would be very fire also. I'm not necessarily a big fan of the blue nor the blue tint. It's kind of like, it's very mid to me and regular, but you know, interesting concept. Retail has always been the standard 220 on these, which I mean, it is what it is. I just think the whole concept is just so strange, because I just look at Kanye as someone who was always ahead, honestly, as far as times and trends, or, you know, everything he said came true. Like, I find that dope, right? But for this to be, you know, MNVN, which stands for minivan, is that just like a futuristic looking shoe? Like, is that kind of the concept behind it? What is the minivan concept? Why is it called minivan? I have so many questions, which I'm the one that's supposed to answer these for you guys, but I think as we progress and more colorways come out, maybe more information will come out, because I don't understand and I want to know. Like, I really do want to know. But we'll go ahead and throw these bad boys on. Right, guys, so as far as sizing goes on these, definitely go true to size. Fits like every other 700. I did get this in a size 12. That's what I get in everything. And they are actually extremely comfortable. I mean, again, I say this over and over, I just really think this is one of those shoes that you buy, and whether you want to run in it, which, I mean, honestly, I would genuinely just, I'm gonna have to take these out on a run, bro. We'll go run a little bit and come back and be like, yo, are the 700s minivans a good running shoe? But other than that, just the nylon material is just gonna keep this shoe looking good for a very long time. Anything spills on it, all you do is get a wipe, anything, wet cloth, and it comes right off. So that's the nice thing about it, and having that boost. So if you like the style, I personally say it's definitely a cop. I would definitely trade these for the all black pair, or if there is a white pair that comes out in the future. But I mean, it doesn't look bad. Something that you can wear all black jeans with, black nylon pants with, black shorts. There's a lot of different ways that you can actually style these, but this pair actually does look pretty good on feet. I will say the blue pair that I had last time, it wasn't actually my size, but now having a pair that is my size, I actually like them, man. I ain't mad at them. You know, it is pretty cool to see like the progression of how these have changed so much. You know, we got the original wave runners, which I truly love so much. Like, this is such a comfortable shoe. I've worn these a lot. Then, you know, we progressed to the alien shoes right here. Just wonder, like, what does the future hold? What are we gonna see next? But it is funny because they all kind of have that same shell shape, which again, I don't really get personally. I mean, especially when you think about like the original Turtle Doves, which this shoe single-handedly changed the sneaker community forever on every level, whether it was creating videos, content. It's just, what a shoe. Maybe that's just a part of Kanye's, I guess, genius, right? Like, you have all these questions. Why do they look like this? What was the inspiration? What are you doing? Why are people wearing these? Why do they cost $220? You just have so many questions, and it's intriguing. So maybe that's kind of his ultimate goal, but pretty excited for his album to release. You guys can let me know down below. Again, cop or drop. This is your boy Sneaker Life. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run it.